So hello, what's up guys? So today we are going to do the some questions of chapter motion. We are going to do three questions of the chapter motion, and this is going to be the last video of the motion chapter. And after this video, we will going to discuss and another. We are going to do the whole recap of the chapter motion, and the video is going to come on the Wednesday. So let's get started. So first question is find the average velocity of an object traveling 30 kilometers in 2 hours east and 40 kilometers in 4 hours west. तो हमारे पास जो पहला क्वेश्चन ये पूछता है कि अगर एक ऑब्जेक्ट 30 किलोमीटर ईस्ट 2 आवर्स में तय कर रहा है एंड देन 40 किलोमीटर in 4 hours west तय कर रहा है, then what is the average velocity here? So what is the formula to find the average velocity? The formula is displacement upon time, but this is for velocity only, but we are going to talk here about average velocity, which is equals to total displacement upon total time, which is equals to 30 plus 40 divided by 2 hours plus 4 hours, which is equals to 70 divided by 6, which is equals to 616 minus 10164 point, so which is equals to 11.6 kilometer per hour. So this is our first question. So this is our question number second, and the question number second is find the displacement of an ball going up and come down to the same point. So this question is very easy, like find the displacement of an ball going up and then coming back to the same point. So the displacement will be 0. So why it will be 0? Because if it goes up, like I have to travel from here to here, and this is then the displacement. But if I have traveled like this and then I again come to this point, then this is the final point, final position, and it is also the initial position, so it is equals. And I am told that if final is equal to initial, the displacement will be 0. So the answer is 0. 0 is the displacement of the figure. And there is one more fact, that displacement can't be, distance can't be 0, but displacement can be 0. So this is going to our last question, and this is our third question. So our third question states, what is the acceleration of an object with 30 kilometer an hour to 110 kilometers an hour? So this is what the question is basically asking. So in 2 hours, like this question is pretty confusing, like there is an hour means 1 hour and there is 2, so we have to convert this into 1 hour speed. So 1 hour speed will be 110 divided by 2, which is equal to 55. So 55 kilometers will be our 1 hour speed, and 30 kilometers was our initial speed, and this was our final speed. So that formula to find the acceleration, this was our initial velocity and this is our final velocity. So 30 kilometers to 55 kilometers, it is simple. Then the 25 kilometers will be 25 kilometers will be the acceleration, because final velocity minus initial velocity is equals to displacement, or we can add up the velocities and divide it by the time. So final velocity minus initial velocity is equals to displacement also and acceleration also. Acceleration, so final velocity is equal minus initial velocity, which was 25 minus 30, which is equals to 25 kilometers. So I hope you understand the concept of understand the questions, and there is our full playlist of videos on the motion chapter, which is in physics, so you can watch it to understand the remaining concepts of the motion chapter. Until then, subscribe our channel and like our videos, and press the bell icon for more such videos, and take care, goodbye, and Jai Hind.